Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete Milestone in Monopoly Go. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So the first thing you want to do here is you want to open up Monopoly here, and in the main home screen or in our board here in Monopoly Go, you should be able to see different stickers or pop up here. So in this case, these are the tournaments or events currently in Monopoly Go. So in this case, we have this satellite icon here. So when we click on that, you'll see the name of that specific event. So this one is for space repairs. So events varies from month to month. So it's going to be different for every month. But for now, this is the event that we are doing right now. So how do you actually unlock milestones or complete milestones here? So as you can see at the bottom side of your screen, you have the option there that says land on these tiles. So what you need to do here is just basically play the game, and hopefully you'll be able to land in one of these tiles here. So in this case, these are the train tiles. So you either need a shutdown or the bank heist for you to receive a satellite icon here. And that satellite icon will be used to unlock a milestone or complete a milestone here in this specific event. Now in this case, for a shutdown, it's going to be a +2 for a block and a +4 for success. Now if you're doing bank heist, this is going to be 4 +4 for small, large +6, and a bankrupt is a +8, which is really big if you're going to ask me. Also, if you want to earn more bigger rewards for your games here, you could roll with a multiplier. So when you exit your game here, as you can see at the top right of the Go button there, there's the multiplier. So when you click on it, you'll be able to increase your multiplier. So right now with my account and level right now, I could even increase this to ×50, which is really awesome. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.